Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about practical things that you can do right now to improve your personal branding on any major social media platform. The first tip is wear clothes that suit you, style them well, and then take professional pictures of yourself. We're really used to taking pictures with our phones, and most of the times the angles and the way they look, they don't come out really professional. What you can do is probably save up and get professional pictures taken of yourself every 3 to 4 months that you can use over the period of time. Also, if you don't have money to do that or the time, you can just learn to use the smartphone that you have currently. You can watch YouTube tutorials, go on Pinterest and find ideas and look for ways that you can take better pictures of yourself. Many smartphones have really good camera functions, but we just don't know how to use them sometimes. So use tutorials to help you along there. Additionally, if you don't know how to pose or how to take pictures or how to style your clothes properly, go on Pinterest. There's so many ideas on Pinterest. Also watch YouTube tutorials. Number 2, figure out 3 to 5 things that you want to be known for and stick to them. It's easier for people to know that these are the topics that you are an expert in. Also think about it this way. When you go to a general practitioner, it's usually cheaper than if you go to a specialist. So consider even making that number smaller as time goes by. Number 3, be mindful of your post. Are you providing value? Are you providing entertainment? Are you educating? Are you doing all of these things? What exactly are you doing? What is your story? What is your mission? You have to figure out what it is that you are posting about. You have to figure out your message. What is your message that you are putting out there? With every post, with every picture, with every video, you are telling one story, or you're telling different parts of one story. So try to figure what that is. Number 4, talk about things that you know a lot about. Talk about things that you have some experience with. It really does not make sense and is not credible. It doesn't credit you in any way to talk about things that you don't have any knowledge about. And this could be in your post, or when you comment on other people's posts within the topic, or when you answer questions for people. Rather stay out of it if you don't know anything, learn more, or just talk about the things that you have a lot of knowledge and experience about. It really helps you be branded as a thought leader in that specific niche or industry. Number 5, which goes back to number 3, be clear about your message and what it is that you do and what you offer. Usually our personal brand can be very messy because we're human beings. There are a lot of things that we do that we like, our interests and everything. It all sometimes reflects on our status or our profiles, but try to be careful to not confuse your followers, okay? So try to make sure that you stick to your message. For example, your bio could be, I am who, or I do A, B, C, D. That's as clear as you can get. Number 6, talk about the significance of your product or service all the time. And I really do mean all the time. Obviously in different angles, obviously in different contexts, but always try to highlight why your product or your service is the best and why it's different and how it helps others. The most important thing is to really always tell your customers or tell people who are following you why they should be buying your product or service. Why and how is it going to help them? More importantly, how is it going to improve their lives? Number 7, aesthetics are nice, but value is the meat. Your aesthetics might look great on your profile. You have the right colors, you have the great font, but if you're not helping anybody, if you're not adding value, if you're not helping to improve something or offering a solution, it's not going to last as long. People might be attracted to you because of your aesthetics and your presentation, but they stay for the value. So make sure that as much as your aesthetics look really great, your value is even more amazing. Number 8, take the time to clean up your social media. Just imagine that for whatever reason, you get famous. You become a politician, you take part in a pageant, or for whatever happens, and you become famous. Clean up your social media. If there's anything on there that you know or you suspect may not fit into the brand, into your brand as a personal brand, into the message that you're trying to share, delete it, clean it, remove it now. Remove it. Clean up your social media. And moving forward, be mindful of how you post, what you comment on, etc. Number 9, Google yourself after this video, of course, and see what pops up. If there's anything that pops up that you don't like, fix it, remove it as soon as you can. Number 10, post a picture or a video or both online at least once or twice a month. Obviously, depending on what you do, you might have to post more than that, more than once, but at least, I would say at least once or twice a month. Number 11, your personal brand might be the one sustaining your business brand. So make sure to always stay on point. Note that a business brand should feel personal, and a personal brand can include business. Be mindful of how your personal brand might be affecting your business brand. At the end of the day, people do business with people they like. It's really that simple. And lastly, stay updated with the latest news and trends within your industry. And that could be anything depending on what you're interested in. For example, if you're interested in fashion, you should probably be following the top fashion brands, the top fashion newsletters, the top fashion icons, people, and just staying up to date with everything that's going on. The latest technology, the latest tools, the latest trends. If people know that you are somebody who's always up to date with all your information, it's easier to trust you because then they know that you are knowledgeable and you have the expertise and you're passionate about what it is that you do. It's easier to do business with you as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Share this video with somebody who you know would enjoy it and benefit from it. I'm rooting for your success, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.